This is not normal snow. This is like frozen ice. Check this out. All right, I'll try to break it. I guess you know by now. Nothing. It's like the snowplows just built walls of snow and it's now frozen. Let me try again. Oh, this is Columbia Pike in Arlington. It's just a sheet of ice. So be careful out there. Driver's still going out. Check out this car. Dude, check it out. My car's like this too. It's going to be a month before I go anywhere. Unless we have a sunny day soon and it's supposed to snow tomorrow. All right, check back soon.